All right, here we go. We are in Indian Land, South Carolina, at the YMCA headquarters. We will start out here and head up north. And we're going to keep our altitude a little bit low for a better visual effect. We're flying the DJI Mini 3. And right now, B&H has the Mini 3 on sale for $339, and that includes the remote controller with the built-in tablet. And that's really been a game changer for me, having the built-in tablet. Flying with my phone with the DJI Mini 4K was always a challenge for me. And now with the screen built in, it makes it so much easier. And did you see that bird fly by? I've had problems with birds in this area. This one particular type of bird that flies through the air very fast. He seems to be very territorial, and he will swoop in front of my camera on my drone. This is the only place recently that I've flown where I've had problems with birds. And if you've watched any of my videos, bird strike is probably my biggest fear. Not trees, because I try to keep away from trees and any other objects really. My main fear is bird strikes. One good thing about having a drone in this price range is pretty, if you lose it, it's no big deal. You can always replace it. If you had a drone that costs a lot of money and you're out for a flight and a bird takes it out, or if you just lose control of it, yeah, it can be a big loss. So we're flying by the Metro Diner right now, coming up on this rotary or roundabout, whatever you want to call it. And we have Whataburger coming up. But the DJI Mini 3 is now my go-to drone. I paid $379 for it, and I thought I was getting a great deal. So if you can grab one for $339, go ahead and do it. And yeah, spend the extra money to get it, the tablet with the built-in screen. You can get the DJI Mini 3 with the original remote for a little bit less, but I honestly think it's worth it to spend the extra money to get the tablet with the built-in screen. And we're flying over a swig. And we're coming up to Publix shopping center. And we're trying to keep our altitude pretty low. We're about 200 feet. And I want to keep it low to get a nice visual effect. And we are in cine mode. And cine mode in the DJI Mini 3 is a little bit faster than it was in the Mini 4K. I wish they gave you an option of two different speeds, because I really liked the speed of the Mini 4K. I would like it a little bit slower than it is right now, and of course I could slow it down in editing, but we'll go ahead with this for now. And this is World Reach Drive, which will bring us back up to the YMCA. And down here on the right, what we have is a private academy being constructed. It's going up rather quickly, and I would imagine it's going to open in August or September. I'm sure it'll be ready by then. But we'll fly back back over where we took off from. And there's a sports field up there. Some kids are playing soccer. I will quickly fly over there. We'll swing around the end zone up here and bring it around. Yeah, this YMCA in Indian Land, South Carolina, a great facility. And it's always busy. So many activities for all ages. And we are in the Cross Ridge development. And I've seen a few birds fly by. They haven't come too close to my drone, but they don't like me being in their territory. So we'll come out this way. We have a new amphitheater down in the upper right corner. And somewhere up here we have a splash pad for kids and a playground. And a few new dining places that have opened or about to open. So what we'll do is we'll come around this roundabout and we will swing back and come down in altitude, and we have Target right here. Nice facility, very large. But we'll fly right over Target. And there's that bird again. Can you see him? He's rather small. And he doesn't come too close, fortunately. Now, I've seen this, whatever the type of bird this is, I've seen them attack, like irritate larger birds that are flying, like a crow. They'll like dive bomb right at them. But we're going to swing around here and bring it on down home for a landing. I am right down here. So yeah, one of our first flights, this is like my third or fourth flight with the DJI Mini 3, putting it to the test. Thanks for watching, guys.